This wonderful 2008 Dodge Ram 2500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This four-door crew cab has fine medium-gray cloth seats, and is equipped with a responsive 6.7-liter inline six-cylinder 12-valve engine, a fluid transmission, and has the control of four-wheel drive. Its electronic features include satellite radio and a trip computer. The safety features on this vehicle include child safety locks, fog lamps and a four-wheel anti-lock braking system. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive.